It's the big Christmas song, yeah, let's all sing along. It's the best time of year to spread that festive cheer.
Here it is, the big Christmas song, the one you've been waiting for all year long. With the jingle bells and the mistletoe, warm cozy fires and fresh white snow. Decorations, preparations, counting down to the celebrations. Christmas lights and snowball fights. There's even elves dressed in green tights. Reindeer wrapping paper and ribbons. A festive feast with all the trimmings. We come together this Christmas season for love. That's the reason.
It's the big Christmas song, yeah, let's all sing along. It's the best time of year to spread that festive cheer. Big Christmas song, yeah, let's all sing along. It's the best time of year to spread that festive cheer.
When sleigh bells ring and children sing at Christmas, it can only mean one thing. The big jolly guy is on his way. Please, please, Mr. Santa Claus, don't delay. Sharing is caring, and you know it's true. It's easy, peasy, and breezy to do. Find a great gift, wrap it up nice. It don't matter the cost or price, as long as it comes straight from your heart. Yeah, that's what makes a gift stand apart. We all come together and get in the spirit. You feeling it? Yeah, let me hear
It's
it.
the big Christmas song, yeah, let's all sing along. It's the best time of year